Learn Japanese real fast. Welcome to Hiragana Review, Episode 1, Similar Looking Hiragana. There are a number of kana that look similar. Let's look at the following hiragana pairs and try to note the unique feature of each one. A has a croissant. O has a hole. O has a hole. Wa has a big nose. Ke has the dancing figure, can we dance? Ha looks like ha. Ha looks like ha. Ho holds more horizontal strokes. Looking from left to right, sa is a mouth saying something. Chi has a big chin. Nu has the curly noodles. And me is just me waiting for noodles. Nu has the chopsticks to eat the noodles. Ne could never eat them without chopsticks. Ne can never eat the curly noodles without chopsticks. Re looks like an R, no noodles. Ru has the loop. Ro is open. Ra has the mascara. Chi is the big chin. So practice reading kana whenever you get the chance. And also, try to move away from using romaji as early as possible. Japanese text generally doesn't use spaces between words and seldom uses punctuation. So longer sentences are easier to read in Japanese scripts rather than romaji. Let's see what I mean by looking at these sentences.
そのソフトクリームをください。
そのソフトクリームをください. And this slightly longer one.
今日朝ごはんを食べながら少し日本語の勉強をした。
今日朝ごはんを食べながら少し日本語の勉強をした. Well, maybe studying while you're eating breakfast is not the most effective method, but if you stick with learning the kana, you'll be able to easily read sentences like this in no time. Don't worry too much about remembering this one straight away. It's really just to demonstrate the difference in readability between romaji and Japanese scripts. Romaji tends to look like long, complicated, nonsensical words, and it may be difficult to read it without subconsciously using native English intonation. Kana shows more clearly the word flow in a sentence and helps achieve a more natural Japanese intonation. Well, that's it for our review on similar looking hiragana. Next we'll review some of the words and sentences we saw whilst learning hiragana. Feel free to add your comments and questions below. And if you thought this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and share so we can continue to bring you videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
じゃあね。